Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be getting Riptide. This is going to be hopefully the final part. We have some more chests that have finally regenerated, so hopefully we get a compass right here and finish it. We don't. We only need one compass to get it, so hopefully we can get it fairly quickly. And yeah, as you can see, we only need one compass. I know where one is that we can go try and get. Okay, so if we make our way around this sneak, there will be one down here. I'm not sure if we have to do a battle to get to it, though. Okay, we probably will. Yeah, we will. Okay, hopefully this is the one where we get a compass. There we go. We can finally get Riptide. So let's go and find Ola. I already know where she is. Okay, so she's in Shiver Chill. We are in Mountain Pass, so she's just going to be to the right. So there she is. All we gotta do is talk to her. Track Mythical Epic next. And then it'll do this. And then we can track. Go to Shipwreck Shore. Probably have to do a few battles. And yeah. So let's go right. And up once we battle this Aquaster. Okay, so let's go up. And there's Riptide. We can go ahead and make our way around the Muckster. So there we go, and let's battle Riptide. So we have 5 turns to do this, but we'll start it off with Falling Star Smash. That is 49. We're going to have to do it like that. And that did not do a lot of damage. Sorry if I'm talking a little not loud. Okay, there we go. Another one. Done. Okay, so it's about half. We should be able to finish this battle or not lose. And get Riptide. Okay, there we go. One more, maybe. Definitely going to catch it. Okay, hopefully this is the final one. Let's see. There we go. We have finished getting Riptide. It took 3 videos, but we finally got it. And there we go. We got Riptide as a legendary and Riptide as an epic. That's a follower. So we have finally gotten a Riptide, which looks very cool. I will do some battles with Riptide for another video, but for now, we have gotten Riptide. Let's go ahead and put that on our team. So I did that, and that's going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We are currently in a race with Prodigy Math Game Player to 2,000 subscribers, and bye.